everyone, Miss Canfield here, and today I'm going to do a short science experiment. And our materials today are going to be Dawn dish soap, a bottle of water, some pepper, and a bowl. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do for the science experiment is pour water into a bowl. And I'm going to use about half the water. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to put some pepper into the bowl. As you can see, the pepper is floating on top of the water, and that's because it's a hydrophobic, which means that water is not attracted to it and that it's very light. So whenever I put my finger in, nothing happens right there. For the next step, you're going to add a little bit of dish soap to your finger around the top, just like that. Next, you have your soap on your finger and you are going to put your finger in the water. So as you can see here, all the pepper went to the edges of the bowl. It's not in the middle anymore. And that is because the soap is acting as a repellent on the water and it's breaking down the surface tension of the water molecules, breaking it apart and making every particle in the water try to go away from the soap, which is why soap is such a good thing to clean with. So that's our mini science experiment for today. Thank you.